Hi, welcome, my dear students. So I wanted to give you an overview here, and I was going to make some fancy slides here, but I just wanted to show you exactly, you know, the what we're going to be covering here in this course. Even if you forgot, or maybe you didn't, even if you did look at it at the beginning of the introduction. Okay, so we're going to, start learning about the fundamentals of PHP in the first steps section. Some data types, control structures, what has to do with decision making, custom functions that we can create our own. We are going to be also learning about built-in functions that PHP has that we can use right out of the box. How to use form data, all right? How to submit information using a form. I don't know if you've ever seen that on the websites where you can put your name, your address, and things like that. So we're going to learn how to do that. Then we're going to learn how to do that even with databases, okay? So databases, we're going to be able to learn to insert that information into databases. Then we're going to talk a little bit about PHP security. Then PHP in the web. We're going to talk a little bit, and we're going to learn a lot, actually 10 lectures here so far, about PHP object-oriented programming, okay? How to make objects with PHP. Right now what we're learning is procedural. Okay, this is just writing a program from up to down, and but when we are writing a program in object-oriented programming, we deal with objects, and you guys need to know that. So I included a section about that. Then we can also work with files, just like any other languages like Java or C that controls files in your computer, like making directories and things like that, reading files. PHP can do that as well. So we're going to learn how to do that. Then after we learn all the fundamentals, we're going to jump into the CMS project. And in the CMS project, this is where the fun begins. This is where you're going to be learning a lot of things, okay? Even things that I didn't show you in the fundamentals, you're going to be learning it here, because we're going to build a really cool project that you can use yourself. And at the end, we're going to launch it online, okay? So it's going to be pretty awesome, because here you're going to learn so much like real life stuff that it's very hard to get in a course. So I try to put as much features as possible in this project. This CMS project, like I showed you in the demo, is an application where we can do anything we want, basically. Very similar to WordPress. We're going to build categories. We're going to build posts, comments, users, so they can log in. They're going to have their own profile, their own dashboard with some really cool features in there. We're going to be improving it. We're going to be adding some extra features in this section here, and there's a whole bunch of features here that we're going to be adding to it. Then we are going to have another user registration here. We'll show you how to do it at first, but we're going to have a user registration here as extra stuff. Pagination. We're gonna build a little feature here with users online. We are going to learn a new way of creating a password encryption system. We're going to be improving our comment system that we created first. Okay. We're going to have a lot of cool things here. We're going to even be able to send emails, and we're going to be using third-party packages like we do in real-life applications. We're going to take it to the internet, so we're going to launch this, show you how to do that. Okay? There's some extra features here that I include. And then we also have a section where we feel fits a lot of bugs or problems that occur in our applications. And we're going to be doing some refactoring, meaning that we're going to be taking some of that complicated code. We're going to make it simple and better. New registration system. We're going to create pretty URLs. A new forgot password system, okay? And this is just extra features that I keep adding. And then at the end, well, it could be maybe we have any extra sections after you're watching this video, but we're going to have some real-time notifications here with a third-party package called Pusher. So that's going to be pretty awesome, okay? So I'm going to keep adding things as time goes, so you guys have more value in this course than any other course out there. So hopefully this overview here helps you, know where you at and where you want to go. And I'll see you in the next lecture, guys. Take care.